Hey everyone! New Year's is just around the corner, and if you're looking for last-minute decor ideas, I've got you covered. Today, I'm showcasing some amazing IKEA finds that will instantly elevate your celebration. All the links are in the description, so let's jump right in. Bring the party home with the FRÖJDA Disco Ball Decoration 14-inch. This is not just any decoration, it's a showstopper. The chrome disco balls at the top create stunning reflections that fill your space with light and movement, making everything come alive. Imagine it sitting on your table, mantle, or shelf as an instant conversation starter. And the best part? Give it a little touch and watch the silver balls dance in celebration. This decoration brings playfulness and an infectious energy to any New Year's gathering. And if you're looking for more shimmering decor, check out the FRÖJDA Hanging Disco Ball 11-inch. These elegant silver shimmering disco balls are the perfect addition to any New Year's celebration. They arrive flat-packed for convenience, but with a quick flick, they unfold into 3D brilliance. Hang one or several of these beauties and instantly transform your space into a glamorous, party-ready environment. The soft reflections from the disco balls will instantly elevate your home, adding that touch of luxury every New Year's party needs. The FRÖJDA Glass is exactly what your New Year's celebration needs to feel extra special. Whether you're serving drinks on the rocks, colorful cocktails, or even indulgent desserts, these glasses bring that perfect touch of sophistication to your table. With their stunning faceted design, they're not just functional, they're a true showstopper. And the best part, they pair beautifully with other pieces from the FRÖJDA collection, helping you set a cohesive and stylish table. You won't want to miss out on them, and if you want to really step up your celebration, the FRÖJDA Champagne Coupe 7/0 will have your guests in awe. These timeless champagne coupes are perfect for toasting with sparkling drinks, enjoying desserts, or serving up anything festive. The low, wide design brings an added level of elegance, while the faceted design coordinates perfectly with other pieces from the FRÖJDA collection. Pair them with the silver tray for that ultra-chic, sophisticated vibe, and your New Year's celebration will be one to remember. Now let's talk about the FRÖJDA stainless steel tray 17 by 6-inch. This tray is not just functional, it's an absolute beauty. Whether you're serving appetizers, cheeses, or drinks, this tray has you covered. Its sleek, durable stainless steel surface makes it easy to clean and perfect for festive gatherings. Use it to carry your FRÖJDA champagne coupes or to display some tasty appetizers. It's an essential piece that will elevate any party. The Glassic candle dish 4x4-inch is a must-have for setting the perfect ambiance this new year. Whether you're hosting a big celebration or enjoying a quiet dinner, these candle dishes will bring a warm, cozy glow to your space. With their clean, simple design, they blend effortlessly into any table setting or room decor, making them perfect for any occasion. You can use one for a subtle touch or group several together to create an even more inviting atmosphere. Need some extra storage for party essentials or a quick storage solution that doesn't take up too much space? Enter the Nicephor's Utility Cart, Black. This compact, mobile cart is a lifesaver when it comes to organizing and storing your New Year's supplies. It's sturdy, practical, and can be easily rolled around to wherever you need it most. Whether you use it to store drinks, snacks, or decorations, this utility cart is your new best friend. Add a touch of elegance and charm to your celebration with the FRÖJDA candlestick, white 1/4-inch. Its clean, simple design makes it the perfect addition to your table or mantle. Whether you're going for a minimalist look or need a complement to your other decorations, this candlestick fits in seamlessly. Place it on your table for a warm, inviting glow that creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere. It's one of those small details that make your space feel extra special. And if you want even more glowing ambiance, the FRÖJDA tea light holder, clear glass 2-inch, is here to help you create the perfect cozy vibe. This elegant holder looks like a shimmering ice cube, beautifully reflecting the candlelight to create a magical glow. Use it alongside other FRÖJDA pieces for a coordinated festive table, or place it around your home for a soft, warm light that enhances your celebration. It's one of those little touches that really makes the room come to life. For an elegant touch to your drink service, consider the FRÖJDA carafe with stopper 34/0. This beautiful, clear glass carafe is perfect for serving water, juice, or a signature cocktail. Its timeless design ensures it fits into any table setting, whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual gathering. The carafe will add an extra layer of sophistication to your New Year's festivities, keeping your drinks cool and stylish. Don't forget to chill your drinks in style with the FRÖJDA Ice Bucket with tongs. This stunning ice bucket combines beauty and practicality. The faceted glass design is chic and elegant, while the handle and matching tongs make serving effortless. The tongs even hang on the edge of the bucket, so you won't have to worry about losing them in the middle of the party. This ice bucket is the perfect way to keep things cool without sacrificing style. Let's not forget about lighting. The FRÖJDA LED table decoration, silver, 15th inch, is the perfect way to light up your New Year's celebration. With its soft glow and sleek Scandinavian-inspired design, this LED decoration is a must-have centerpiece for your table, mantel, or windowsill. The matte silver finish complements any decor, adding a touch of understated elegance to your space. It's the perfect way to create a cozy and festive atmosphere for your guests. And finally, no festive meal is complete without beautiful flatware. And the FRÖJDA 16-piece flatware set, stainless steel, is a must for your table. This sleek, durable set includes everything you need to serve your guests in style. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual get-together, this flatware set will elevate your meal and add the perfect finishing touch to your table setting. Godmedag 10-inch plate is like a blank canvas for your New Year's feast. So simple, yet so elegant. This timeless white plate works for any occasion, whether you're serving a casual family dinner or your most glamorous holiday spread. It's perfect for serving up all your favorite dishes, appetizers, mains, desserts, you name it. The minimalistic design gives you the freedom to dress up your table however you want, whether with colorful accessories for a vibrant look or keeping it sleek and modern. Let's talk about the Godmedag 8-inch side plate, the perfect addition to your table. It's smaller than the 10-inch plate, but it packs a big punch in elegance and practicality. Whether you're serving appetizers, snacks, or desserts, this plate is a game changer. Its clean, white design fits seamlessly into any table setting, and just like the larger Godmedag plate, it's super versatile. So that's it. And that's a wrap. Some amazing last-minute IKEA finds to make your New Year's celebration shine. Stylish, practical, and perfect for any occasion, these pieces will instantly elevate your space.